Welcome back to my channel. The Fold car is unlike anything else on the road, a true innovation in urban mobility designed for the future of crowded cities. On the exterior, its design immediately catches attention because it doesn't look like a conventional car at all. Instead, it has a futuristic pod-like shape, with smooth panels, sharp LED light strips running across the front and rear, and compact proportions that make it ideal for tight city streets. What makes it extraordinary is its ability to fold. Yes, the car can reduce its footprint by nearly half when parked, solving one of the biggest problems in modern cities where parking space is always at a premium. This folding mechanism is achieved through advanced engineering of its chassis and wheelbase, allowing the car to shrink while maintaining stability. The exterior surfaces are minimal and aerodynamic, coated in lightweight materials that help efficiency, while wheel covers and flush handles add to the clean futuristic aesthetic. Inside, the Fold car is equally unique. Step inside and you're greeted by a minimalist cabin designed for 2 passengers. The interior is uncluttered, with a focus on space efficiency and technology rather than traditional luxury. A large central touchscreen dominates the dashboard, controlling everything from climate to navigation. The steering is compact and futuristic, with multifunction controls embedded seamlessly. Seating is comfortable despite the small size, designed with ergonomic foam materials and sustainable fabrics. Storage is smartly arranged with foldable compartments, keeping essentials within reach while maximizing available space. Mood lighting, wireless charging, and digital connectivity give the cabin a tech-savvy feel. Because it's a car meant for the city, it prioritizes convenience and simplicity over excess, creating a driving environment that is modern and practical. Performance in the Fold car is geared toward efficiency and city driving rather than high-speed thrills. Powered entirely by an electric motor, it offers a range of around 150 miles on a single charge, perfect for daily commutes, errands, and short trips. Acceleration is smooth and responsive, giving it quick bursts of speed ideal for weaving through traffic. The small turning radius makes it exceptionally easy to maneuver, and the lightweight build ensures it handles city corners with ease. Safety systems include collision avoidance sensors, 360-degree cameras, and automatic braking, all designed to keep urban driving stress-free. Charging is simple, with fast charging capability that can top up the battery in under an hour. The Fold car represents a new way of thinking about personal transport. It's not about horsepower or luxury, it's about smart solutions to real-world problems. With its folding design, compact size, and electric efficiency, it gives drivers freedom from the stress of parking and the satisfaction of driving something futuristic. The Fold car is a bold step toward redefining mobility, proving that sometimes the biggest innovations come in the smallest packages.